What's going on, everyone? Welcome to A Few Minutes. So today I just want to talk about Discord a little bit. We're getting big over there. We're getting very populated with the comments and the pictures over there, which is great. That's what I wanted. There's two things I want to say, actually three things. The first thing I want to say is that if you're talking in this section and you're trying to direct something towards me, make sure you tag my name in it so it pops up on my end that I could see that somebody left a certain message for me. Number two, pictures. If you want pictures to be in an upcoming video, I would say the best way to do it is to direct message me. That way I have it in our chat room between me and you, and I know it's not going anywhere. And I don't have to sit there and search through all these stuff to see which one that you put me on. So two things. Tag me if you're trying to message me. And if you want a picture in an upcoming video, just direct message me. And then the third thing I want to say is that I mentioned on the other A Few Minutes that I do not longer do YouTuber breakdowns, but if you want me to do a breakdown of you selecting in the warehouse and you bring your video to me, I would gladly do that. So if you can get away with videoing yourself in the warehouse like I do, and you want me to do a breakdown on that, bring it on over and send me your video. That's it, guys. I'll see you guys next time. Have a great day.